A completely Tanfon 60 kW off-grid solar system has been installed for a plastic factory in Sierra Leone. It provides stable and reliable power to the factory equipment and office. Although the electricity bill is low, but the power supply is unstable, which affects production and working efficiency in the factory. In the early morning, the sunshine sprays on the 105 solar panels, generating electricity continuously. The PV combiner box, MPPT controller, lithium battery, and 60 kW inverter are neatly installed and can supply power at any time. Tanfon, rooted in Africa, and improves the living standards for Sierra Leone people. Tanfon solar system reduce the dependence on diesel power, reduce costs, and ensure maximum efficiency and profit.